In this quick tutorial, we will look at how to correctly send your form to others so that they can answer the questions on it. The first thing you're going to do is go to drive.google.com and open up whatever folder your forms are in, and then find the form that you would like to use. One important note is while you can normally in Google Drive, for example, with a slides or doc file, you can just grab the link up here and then copy that link and send it to people. This will not work with Google Forms. So once you have opened the form up and it's ready to be sent, just hit the send button. This is another difference. The link that is up here at the top cannot be sent to others. The form will not work. Hit the send button. If you want to email the form to all of the people who will be responding, you would insert all their emails and press send. Chances are you don't want to do that. So the next easiest feature is actually to just click on the chain link icon and copy it. Then you can add it to Google Classroom, or you can send it to your users in whatever messaging tool or system you are using.